So just doing a little video to show you the Walraven sliding wall bracket. So it comes like this, joined together, split it, and you've got your two parts. The one slides into the other, and that's it. It's adjustable, and you can clip your pipes on here, and I'll show you that in a moment. And then these tabs come up and they fit between the joists. So let me show you how that fits into a floor. So we've got two pipes here hanging in midair. This one won't need it because it's going to slide back, but this one's going up at the floor over there. And we're going to put this into the floor here, like that. So we are going to fold the tabs. I've already got a predetermined depth for that. So that will go across there, slide it out, and then we'll put a couple of screws in here and here, and that will hold it in place, and then we'll screw and clip that. That's it, and that's that in position. And then to put a clip in, we'll find where we want it, find the hole we want to use, because there's holes along. The hole's in line up there, so I had to make it self-tap. Hold on. And then we clip that in there, like that. Done. Not going anywhere. And we've got a couple there, and that'll keep your pipes nice and secure.